How to delete Instagram business account. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Then tap your profile icon, which is located on the lower right corner. Now tap the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner. Now select Settings and then select the Help option. Tap Help Center and now tap the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner. Then select Manage Your Account. Tap Delete Your Account. And then from here, you are provided with three options. The first option is to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Next to it is the Delete Your Instagram account. And the last option is Access Your data on Instagram. So instead of selecting Delete Your Instagram account, we will choose the Temporarily Deactivate Your Instagram account. And then you will need to scroll down and find the Delete Your Instagram account text which is highlighted. Tap this text, which will direct you to this page. Tap the Android app help button. Now select Mobile Browser Help. And then scroll down until you find this Delete Your Account text which is highlighted. Now tap the drop-down arrow button to select your reason. And then re-enter your password. Now after all of these are accomplished, you may now hit the delete button. So found also in this page is the date on when your account will be permanently deleted. So in this case, it is on September 25, 2023. Now if you change your mind and you don't want to delete your account, just log into your account before the date of deletion. And so, that is how you delete Instagram business account. Thank you and have a great day.